Hi friends, Juro is feeding the ducks. Okay, and the birds. Okay. Oh yan, give some more. Give some more to the ducks please. Yan. Huwag masyadong malapit sa tubig. Don't be close to the water, Juro.
Okay. I will not. Wait. Mommy, some ducks are not eating the food.
So we're in the park. It's kind of cloudy and cold. And the park is over here too. Oh yes. Okay, come on, finish all the cereal for the ducks. Come on. I know. Throw on that side over there. Yeah, throw on that side over there, Juro. Oh wow, some more. The birds. Some more. Okay, Juro. Come on.
Oh no, water
Some more.
goes over there.
Okay. Oh. Pahingi, pahingi. I'll give some more to the duck and to the birds, okay? Ooh. Okay. Oh, wow. How about the birds?
No, mommy. Wait. So much dogs are coming.
Okay. Some birds.
Wait, mom.
Okay.
Ooh,
Oh, wow. Wow. Look at that. Look at those. Look at those birds. Okay. You guys share. Share.
no, mommy. Oh, and the duck's out. Ooh.
They're all happy. They have their breakfast. Cereal breakfast.
Mommy, why they don't have milk?
Yeah.
They
It's
need
okay. They
milk.
don't need milk for the cereal.
Oh, we have? Whoa, it's that good.
Oh, wow. Look at those
It's better.
birds.
Why did
ducks.
we?
Oh,
Wow,
wow.
what?
Can you count how many ducks and birds?
Mommy.
No?
No.
Whoa.
A lot.
Wow, a lot. Okay. They don't know how to share.
Whoa, Mommy,
come on.
no, Mommy, I will do it.
Okay. Okay, some more over there. Oh. Okay, how about the ducks? The ducks, come on. Whoa.
Oh no, where's your breakfast?
Yeah. Oh, wow, they have a good breakfast. Watch out, Juro. Watch out. Watch out. No, it's okay.
Draw my corn. Ooh, ow.
Okay.
What's out?
Watch out. Okay. Woo! They all have fun and they're all full now, maybe. Okay, some more. Feed some more for the ducks. Come on. Wow.
I want two. What's up?
Whoa.
Whoa! Whoa! Look, Mommy!
Yeah.
Look! Joe Basket Castle has
Uh-huh,
red crayon, blue crayon,
Uh-huh.
orange crayon, green
Oh,
crayon.
yeah. Jumper. Yeah. Crayon jumping. Wow. Okay, come on, buddy. Okay, throw some more. Okay, come on. You share over there
That's out.
to the birds. Over here, in this side here.
That's side.
Yeah. Ah.
Oh!
Okay, come on, some more. Some more, buddy. To the ducks. Oh, wow.
Whoa!
To the birds, please. To the birds. Whoa.
I hope they will.
Okay. I think they're all full now.
No, Mommy.
Okay.
I just.
Okay,
This
yeah, finish all the
cereal.
cereal. Okay.
I want to buy more cereal. Want to buy more cereal, Mommy.
Yeah, okay. Oh, sige, tapon mo pa doon. Come on, throw it over there. Sige, tapon mo pa. There.
Wow!
Okay.
Let's cut my hood.
Uh-huh.
Oh, wow.
Whoa.
Oh, wow.
Okay. Woohoo. Say thank you, Juro and Mommy, for feeding us today. Okay, say bye-bye.
Bye